We are looking at tapping further the potentials of this municipality. And that means we have to look at our assets. Just like knowing the reality that Lingayen is a coastal municipality. That's why we are looking at improving further the basic infrastructures that we have as our future plan to encourage people to come here. We are united also in conserving our assets, supported by essential tourism destinations, just like the Rizal Park, just like the church that we have here, and other developments along the Baywalk as well.
We're developing or improving on all aspects in terms of tourism. We are equipping them on world-class standards. So nandyan po together with our Department of Tourism. Dito po, even our private sector, very active po ang aming mga associations, ang aming mga market vendors, ang aming even yung mga small businesses, our bagoong manufacturers, even our TODA, our fisher folks, we come up with projects for them to be proactive with us. Inaanyayahan ho namin lahat po tayo na bumisita po dito sa capital town of the great province of Pangasinan, Lingayen. Tikman po ang aming napakasarap na bagoong at maramdaman nyo po ano po ang asset ng aming Lingayen ay ang aming pong mga locals, ang aming mga residente, ang aming mga Lingayense. So maraming salamat po and we hope to see you soon.